In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Qikink with Shopify. To get started, the first thing you need to do is install the Qikink print-on-demand app in your Shopify store. This app connects your store with Qikink, so you can create products, publish them, and manage fulfillment more easily. Once the app is installed, you will be ready to begin setting up the items you want to sell. After that, go to the Qikink dashboard and open the product section. This is where you will choose the items you want to offer in your store. You can browse through the available product options and pick the ones that match your brand or business idea. Once you have selected a product, you can start designing it directly within Qikink. Take your time here and make sure your design looks clean and well placed. It is a good idea to double-check the layout so the final printed product appears the way you expect. As you work through your product setup, pay attention to the product details. This includes things like the product title, description, and any other information that helps organize the listing before it goes to your store. Clear product details make your Shopify catalog easier to manage and also help create a better shopping experience for customers. Next, set your retail prices. This is an important part of the setup because it determines how your product will be listed in your store. Make sure the price you enter works for your business goals while still fitting the type of product you are selling. It helps to review your pricing carefully before moving forward, since this is what customers will see once the product is live. Once your product design, details, and pricing are ready, sync the product to Qikink. This step connects everything so the item can be pushed into your Shopify store correctly. After the sync is complete, your product should be available in your store setup, ready for you to review and publish as needed. The process is quite simple once you understand the flow. Install the app, go into the dashboard, select and design your products, set your details and retail pricing, and then sync everything properly. If you move carefully through each part, you will have your print-on-demand products connected to Shopify without much trouble. That covers everything you need to know.